Hi friends, welcome back. Saving money and reducing clutter. These are the topmost priorities of any homemaker. So if you're looking for ways to make your home more functional and welcoming without spending any money, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let's take a look how you can make your own clothes organizer. All you need to do is grab a couple of cloth bags, can be of the same color or you can mix and match. Then cut off the handles and also on both the sides of the bag. Like that you'll get a big sheet of cloth, and then just use any sturdy shoebox and start wrapping the shoebox as if you are wrapping a gift. You can either use hot glue or any other glue which will stick well to the cardboard. Now we will place the pieces of cloth inside the box to give it a nice finished look. Using such organizers around the house, especially repurposed or DIY ones, also promotes mindful consumption. They help extend the life of items and reduce wastage. So today I'm going to organize my son's clothes in these organizers. I've made them specially for him. This is how his closet looked before. He would pull out one t-shirt, for example, and others would just fall apart. And now this is how it looks. Well organized. Each box has been labeled and has been categorized. Let's move on to the next organizing tip, and that is our freezer. Many of us have been in a situation while cooking, we are looking for something and it's hard to find amongst so many items that sometimes get messed up in the freezer. Most of us, when we buy stuff from the supermarkets, we receive containers that do not have lids, but they are quite sturdy. These containers, being transparent, can be used to group similar items such as vegetables, snacks or prepped meals. You can assign each container with a category and maintain the consistency, allowing easy access when you need something. The next tip is to hang your jeans cleverly to save space using a hanger, which can optimize your closet and keep your clothing organized. So what you need to do is take the hanger and put the bottom of the jeans on one side. Then try to put one of the loops of the jeans through the hook of the hanger, and there you go. You have a shortened jeans which will not look crumpled and will occupy lesser space than how it was before. Like this, the jeans are stored upright, making it easy to see and choose your desired pair. Next one is to prevent cracks and chips in expensive glassware and plates. By using bubble wrap that is cut into circles is a fantastic and cost-effective solution. Here's how to do it. Just take a sheet of bubble wrap and cut it into a circle slightly larger than the base of your plate, and then you can use that as a stencil and cut more circles. By folding the bubble wrap and then using the first one as a stencil, you can cut many pieces at a time. Place a bubble wrap circle between each plate in a stack to cushion them and absorb shocks during storage or transport. The original boxes of certain items take up unnecessary space with the bulky packaging. When you reduce box clutter in your kitchen, it not only creates a clean and organized look, but also maximizes available storage space. By repurposing transparent boxes which you receive either with chocolates or other items, you can easily decant the tea bags and store them in this box. Being transparent, it also allows you clear visibility of the items that you keep behind. The next hack turns your fridge into a functional storage spot and keeps tissues handy for quick cleanups. Sticking a tissue box to the fridge using double-sided tape and magnets is a clever way to keep tissues easily accessible while saving valuable counter space. This tip ensures that the tissue box is within easy reach, especially during kitchen tasks such as cleaning, cooking, or handling greasy hands. In households with limited space, footwear often gets scattered under beds or sofas, leading to clutter and difficulty in finding the pairs when needed. Here is a solution. When you organize daily footwear like flip-flops or sports shoes in a single cardboard box, it is easy to access it, keeps the floor clear, and also reduces tripping hazards. This simple zero-cost method helps maintain a tidy home without investing in additional organizers. When our home is organized and clutter-free, it is so much more easier to find the items that save you so much time and energy. So that's all for today, my dear viewers. I hope you found the ideas useful, what I have shared. And if you have any of your own no-cost organization ideas, do feel free to share and let us know in the comment section below. I will see you soon in the next one. Bye-bye.